Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title, today's video is going to be another hair tutorial, and actually today I'm going to show you guys how to pluck a widow's peak. But first, today's video is sponsored by UNice hair. You guys can see they sent me a 28-inch body wave unit, which is a 5x5 glueless closure that does come with an elastic band, and it is already pre-cut. So this wig is perfect for beginners. You don't have to worry about doing anything. You don't have to bleach the knots. Everything is already pre done. So let's just get right into the tutorial. So like I said, I am going to teach you guys how to pluck a widow's peak, and honestly the video is very self-explanatory, so you guys just sit back and watch.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.
The first step that I do highly suggest is to do exactly what you guys just seen me do. Part out the 2 strands of hair. Those 2 strands you aren't going to need, but it is going to be a perfect guide for you to pluck behind them so you can get the perfect widow's peak.
My head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me.
I'm not sure if you guys have noticed by now, but I've always pre-style my hair on the mannequin head. It's just easier, it's flatter, and I can actually be more precise when I'm not doing it on my own head. So I do highly suggest for beginners to prep your wig on the wig head first versus doing it on your own head. I mean, I have nothing against it, but this is truly a game changer.
Around